Hey there, my name's Ken Carson, one of the owners here at Xybix, and today I want to talk to you about our cable pulls. This is a great option if you're a smaller center and you don't want to spend the massive amount of money you need for a raised floor. I love raised floors, but sometimes they just don't make sense. And so we do these every now and then throughout the year with certain projects. So let me show you how this works. This one's running from the ceiling down to the panel frame here. There's holes in the panel frame that match up with this, and there's 2 in each frame. So this one's running down through here, and I'll talk about the conduit in just a second. We can also run them into the top of the computer cabinet, this tech tower, for example. And we've done a few other things, but this is going to cover almost every job we have out there. This power pole has 11 half-inch flex conduit for power coming through it. So as you can see from here, we've got these running out in different directions throughout the bottom of the system. So you can run 11 of these conduits through and feed them out to other stations too if you need to. So you can minimize the number of poles in the room. The flex conduit comes down here and we can run this out to other stations. If I pop off this cover, you can see we've got the conduit running through there. So we can power more than one station with just one of these cable poles. Here's a smaller section of the cable pole. So let me talk about how this works. Right now I've got 60 Cat 5 cables running here. We got a little extra room so we could run more, but just want to give you an example of what we can run through there. Some stations like to have 2 cable poles per station, one for low voltage, one for high voltage. No problem, we can accommodate that. The size of this is 3 1/4 by 1 5/8. Now, the way this works is it's clamshell design. So there's no septum in the middle. So we just got one open hole in here. That's that size we just talked about. And as you can see, this is how it snaps together. So we'll put on one side, you've got the U channel, start filling it up with all the cables, and then kind of the last thing you do is snap this guy down, and then we have holes in here and you can put a screw through there and get everything locked down. So thanks for watching this video. If you got any questions about the use of a cable pole, how it can save you money, hit us up, we're here to help.